These are the two Hot Wheels Monster Jam Monster Trucks 1/64 scale die-cast toys. On your left corner is the original Hot Wheels Beat That Monster Truck. On your right corner, it's the 2012 Team Hot Wheels Monster Truck. So let's get this review done. So this one has yellow wheels. The real monster truck does not have that. And this one has gold wheels. And the body is like blue. And this one is yellow. And is there some more down here? I don't know. But they put, this truck is called Firestorm. And runs in the Monster Jam circuit. And you can see this truck by driving this Team Hot Wheels yellow driver. If you go on YouTube now and search Team Hot Wheels Monster Jam Monster Truck, and you should find the Monster Reward or any other video of this monster truck. So you can see it in real life, or go to a Monster Jam event. And this one was driven by Neil Elliott or sometimes other drivers to about like 2000 or something to about 2008, I think. And they discontinued this truck on the Monster Jam circuit for some reason. I don't know. But it was a nice truck, and you can see it in action in all the World Finals, the Monster Jam collector, and it's pretty good. And if you watch World Finals 8, Neil Elliott has some trouble with that. No offense to Neil Elliott, but anyway, these are two great monster trucks. I kind of like the paint job on the newer one better, but see which one is your favorite. Thank you.